1 pan crispy chicken thighs, golden skin, brown on both sides without drying them out. Start by drying the chicken really well. That's what makes the skin crisp instead of steam. Place it in a hot pan skin side down. Don't touch it. That's how you build the crust. I seasoned them with salt earlier. While they're in the pan, I like to flip them over once. This way, it gets a nice brown color on the bottom while it's on direct heat. And of course, it builds more flavor. I'm placing it into a very hot oven so it cooks throughout without losing any moisture. And while that cooks, I'll prep the fennel, shallots, garlic, and lemon. Fennel goes in first, just until it softens and starts to caramelize. When it starts to caramelize, it turns quite sweet. I'm using a separate pan here so nothing burns and the flavors stay clean. Same with the lemon. Searing it separately softens the acidity without picking up any bitterness. Look at how juicy it becomes, and it brings out a natural sweetness. Now I'll check on the chicken. It's close, but it needs a bit more time. I'm serving this with green beans, so I'll give it a quick blanch to keep them fresh. Now the chicken is ready. Look at that crispy skin. And all that flavor left behind in the pan. I'll pour off the excess fat and leave just a little bit in the pan. Now the shallots. Then the garlic. It starts to pull everything from the bottom of the pan. A nice splash of white wine, and it starts to lift everything. So now I'm going to let it reduce. Then chicken stock, and reduce it again. It builds body and deepens the flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon to bring everything into balance. And olives add a bit of salt. Off the heat, I toss in some butter so it doesn't break. And it gives the sauce a nice, smooth, sweet, well-balanced, glossy finish. Tonight, I'm pairing this with an off-dry Riesling from Alsace, bright enough to cut through the richness, and just enough sweetness to balance the lemon and olives. If you're new here, welcome to Marty's Herbie Kitchen. This is where I like to cook simple meals that feel just a little special, what I like to call simple luxury. Thanks for joining me this evening. I'll see you at the next table.